बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. In this video guys, I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful handmade wreath design for you guys. Guys, these are very latest, very amazing and very unique wreath design for you guys. Keep supporting my channel guys, keep watching my videos. Guys, these are very beautiful and very latest, very amazing pine cone wreath design for your home decor. Guys, keep supporting my channel. I am glad to see you all. Hope so guys, you all are doing well. You guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very amazing, these are very stunning and very pretty collections. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these wreath design at home. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos guys. Guys, these are very beautiful, very amazing and most incredible collections for you guys. You guys easily decorate your homes, decorate your gardens with these wreath, and you guys use your pine cones in these wreath, and these are very stunning, very beautiful and very elegant handmade wreath design. Guys, I am glad to see you all. Must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.